thanks for visiting my channel again. And this one is my timber from New York. So I have this one in a while. I have, I think, more or less 200 rounds on it. So still pretty in good shape. Look like new, mint condition. This one it's 1911, but the caliber is 9 mm. Most of on this kind of 1911 is more on 45, but this one's 9 mm. It's hard to find it now. 5 years ago I got this one for in collector's farm in downtown Houston. So for 1,329 plus tax. So I'm not sure how much the price now. I still have everything, paperwork, original box, but I crazy that I put it in Balenciaga box. I just found this one in the trash and I decided to put it on. So here we are. Nice. And I already changed the grip. The original grip of this one is like plastic. I changed it to wood. And this one has a US stamp on it. A little bit aggressive grip, but I like it. Skeletonized trigger. And let's clear first. So this one it's hollow point. I just put a little bit rounds there to in case to be ready. That's on the side. So clear it. So it's clear. Nothing in the chamber. Drop it. And they have a very soft trigger. Drop the safety. And bang it. Man, I like this one. There's some people that they want to buy this one, but I still keep it. I don't want to sell it. Maybe I just gonna keep this one since I'm old. And stainless steel, it says Target 2 from New York, NY, USA. They have a little aggressive on the rear. And serration in the front is the same. They don't have any for accessories. You don't need it. They have a very nice right there side, and I put a little bit white ink there so that it's visible. And they have adjustable. There you can tell up, says they're up, and the other one is here. Hopefully camera catch it. It's there. So I added up here too some extensions so that when you buy the original of this Kimber magazine, you didn't have this lips here, so that when you pull it and drop it, you have something to pull it out. Like that's the one, the only I add. And the grip too. And I put some grip here too that I bought it in eBay. This one is a very nice brand too. Until now, it's still the same as in press day. Still look brand new. I take good care of this firearm ever since I get it from the first day. As you can see, the barrel is still shiny. There's a little bit stress there, but it's only a little bit scratches for the 200 rounds. And this one is only revisited since I always keep this one in a safe, that I make sure always in good shape. So that's the bottom part. There's a little bit scratch here, but it's not affect the function of this pistol. And there's a stamp there, 9mm, very clear. So it's not 45 caliber. Still shiny. It's a good matte on it, and it slides very light. And there's only left safety. If you put some safety up, you cannot bang it. If you put it down, so you can squeeze it very light without pressing this part. It's not gonna bang, so that's for safety too. And the serration in the back is a little bit aggressive, but it's not too crazy, so it's not gonna mark your palm. See, like the other gun, it hurts your hand when you don't have, or you're not wearing gloves. Even this one there's serration too. So I just gonna keep on stock. I'm not gonna put some special like red light or green light here. I'm not gonna do that, because this one, it's very light recoil when you shoot it because of the weight, and it's very accurate because there's no that much kick when you shoot it. That's the good for the 1911s. They have a very good balance, not like the light one, it kick bad, but this one no. And it's very thin too. It's not too fat. You see the grip? Not like the other design right now is very thick. You're not even grab it when you try to shoot it. I have a medium size palm. This one is perfectly fit to my hand. You can see. And I think that's be all. So I just want to show you this one again after 5 years that I have it. Still kick it good, no malfunction at all. This one is, I think, a last forever piece that you're gonna hang with you, depend you in case the time that you need it. And this one is only how many rounds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is, I think, 9 to 8 rounds plus the one in cylinder. So it's a decent number of ammo that you can use it. Hang on to your magazine. And I think that'll be all. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till my next one, always peace, good luck. I'm out. Please subscribe.